4 cars in 2 months. I made like 4 bands every week. Shrimp and lobster all I eat. A lot of niggas envy if they get the chance to kill me. So I'm ducked off clearly. I keep them fake niggas from near me.
What's up with it? It's your boy Benzo back again with another credit alert for you. Today we're gonna be talking about business credit. Usually I'll be doing personal credit and like CPNs and stuff like that. But today we're gonna do business credit. I had a few people who hit me up specifically and been asking me a question about business credit and actually leaving it in the comments to talk about business credit. So I'm gonna do it quicker than other people usually do it because I know y'all want to just get to the point. I hate watching videos and they don't get to the point. So business credit, your first step that you want to take when you're doing your business credit, make sure you have a phone number that's directed straight for your business. Then you go register it with the Secretary of State's. Step 1. After you do that, that makes you semi-official now. Legal. Then you want to go get you an EIN number. EIN number is a social security number basically for your business. Now some of you might already know this, but I'm gonna go through it from the jump street because there's some people that don't and they just want to start a business and don't know how. So after you get the EIN number, we're gonna go to the next step after that. After you have your EIN number, you registered everything with your business line and everything. And a good spot to get like toll-free numbers and 188 numbers and business lines is Grasshopper. That's the name of it. It's called grasshopper.com. They also have an app. Let me see. After that, you got the telephone number. Okay, after that, you got your telephone number, you got your EIN number, and you register with the Secretary of State. You're going to want to go and make sure you get a bank account. A bank account is important to have for the business. You want a business bank account. After you're done with your business bank account, next step, get you a Dun & Bradstreet number. DNB.com. Dun & Bradstreet. That's the major business credit, people. It's Dun & Bradstreet. You got Experian Business and stuff like that too, but the main one is the Dun & Bradstreet. So make sure you get the Dun & Bradstreet number. After you get your Dun & Bradstreet number, now you're officially ready to start building business credit. So after that, we're gonna move on to the net 30 vendor accounts. Get you some vendor accounts. They got net 30s, net 60s, net 90s. Now what that is accounts to where they give you 30, 60, or 90 days to pay it back. So once you get those, get a few of those, make sure that you checking the credit to make sure that they're reporting on there after you do that. You know, you can buy some office stuff, something small or whatever, just to get it started. You got your business bank account, you got your business credit number, basically your social number for your business, which is the EIN number, and you have your business bank account, your EIN number, and your phone number. You can go to grasshopper.com again for the phone number, and you want to have net 30s. After the net 30s, nav.com. Go to nav.com, nav.com. Now that's like Credit Karma or Experian and stuff like that, Experian.com. That's where you check business credit though. You check your business credit through nav.com. They also have an app if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they do have an app. I usually do all my stuff on laptop. I like to use the computer more so. But then after you got your nav.com and you check and be able to see the credit, checking the credit, you know, you can use your personal credit as like a kickstand for your business credit for certain things too as well. But after you do this is when you can start getting more stuff. After you pay the net 30s, net 60s, then you start to move to the next level and start to be able to get like the Lowe's business cards, the Home Depot business like accounts and stuff with them. The net 30s, some of the good ones for that are net 30s, net 60s, and net 90s is Granger.com, Uline.com, Uline.com. There's a few more too. I can't think of them like right now off the back. I have them written down inside of my office, but You can start off with those two, Granger.com and Uline.com, to start getting your vendor the net 30 accounts and stuff, so you can start building the business credit. After you do that, you know what? I'm gonna end it right there. Actually, that's part 1. I'm gonna give y'all part 2 in the next video, because that way I can look at my notes and actually give it to y'all the next steps accordingly, basically, because that's the basic startup, just to start the business. You know what I'm saying? You want to have your telephone number directed to your business. You feel me? First thing first. Then you want to get your business registered with the Secretary of State. That way you can use that number when you're filling out the application and stuff, the information. Then after that, you want to make sure you get the business banking account. But you got to get the EIN first. EIN before business banking account. EIN, then business bank account, because you need your business social to open up your business banking account. I mean, it's better to do it that way, because that way it's under your business. You feel me? And the social for your business. Then after that, you start with the Dun & Bradstreet. You use dnb.com, and that's where you officially start to actually be able to get business credit. They're going to give you a number from dnb.com. After that, you start to go apply for little stuff. Not even apply, you just get net 30s, net 60s, and net 90 vendor accounts, and you pay them off in the 30 days or 60 days, however long they give you. That way you can start building the credit. nav.com, so you can check the credit. Then get to that in part 2. So make sure y'all subscribe, hit that bell notification, and stay tuned, because I'm gonna be having a whole lot of gems, a whole lot of sauce, a whole lot of game, whatever you want to call it, that I'm about to just give out. I'm starting a website too as well, so just be on the lookout for a whole lot of game. Subscribe now, hit the bell notification. Be on the lookout for the website, and follow me on Instagram at benzofly, at BENZO fly, FLY. Let me get with y'all soon.